Scorpio natin. So let's see what's the message from your inner self, no? Kuha tayo ng one card here for you, Scorpio. Message from your inner self, right? Kuha tayong one card. So let's see. So you have this, I am, parehas din kay no, kay Cancer, right? No, so I am in alignment, no, with my soul purpose, no. So for some of you really din, no, may mga purpose kayo, mga na-reveal sa inyo, no, for some of you, right, no, just like Cancer. So sinasabi sa inyo ng inyong inner self here, no, mga Scorpio natin, right, is now you know the purpose, no? Your soul purpose here in this lifetime is now you are being alignment and you are being guided, no? By the universe, by your guides, no? Of course. So you know what step to make na, right? No, and you have to start, no, making those step, right? No, mga Scorpio natin. And then yeah, for some of you, no, maybe sinisimulan niyo na, no, so but then ito pa rin yung sinasabi ng inyong inner self, right? No, that you are being in alignment, no, being guided and supported with this soul purpose you have, no, something like that, no, mga Scorpio natin, no. So there's nothing to worry, no, with this purpose here, no. Alam natin na magagawa at magagampanan mo ito, no, mga Scorpio natin, no. So kung sino lang yung makaka-relate dito, no, mga Scorpio natin, right? No, so let's see situation, no, within the family, no. Tignan natin anong sitwasyon pagdating sa inyong family. Let's see. Kuha tayo ng 2 cards here for you, mga Scorpio natin. Sitwasyon pagdating sa family, no? Tingnan natin. So you have this, do not take it personally, and then nature is your ally, no. So for some of you, no, nagkakaroon ng medyo mababaw lang or just no, mga childish something na mga pikunan, no, within the family, maybe siblings ninyo, no. For some of you, nagkakapikunan kayo, no, mga kaasin ninyo, right? No, wag mo masyadong personalin or yan, no, ano man ito, right? No, may mga tao talaga kasi kala nila biro lang, right? No, so kung ikaw man to, no, na naiinis ka, no, sa mga attitude ng mga tao, no, sa inyong kung sino man ito sa inyong family, right? No, there is someone na naiinis ka because maybe masyadong mabully itong person na ito, no. Just take your step back, no, and go with the nature. For some of you, relax, fresh, breathe, no, some fresh air, no, for some of you, para mawala yung iyong stress with that person, no, whoever it is, right, no, within the family, right, no, hindi mo kailangang ma-stress sa tao na ito, no, likas na sa kanya yung mapang-asar, no, something like that, no. So ayun yung nakikita ko rito, no, for some of you Scorpio, no. So merong ganong family member kayo dito na mahilig mambuli or mahilig masyado na rin for some of you personal yung mga pinagsasabi, but then wag nyo na lang seryosoin or patulan, no, for some of you, right, no, and you need a fresh air to breathe na lang, no, something like that, no, go out and go to a nature tripping, no, something like that, para mawala yung inyong stress with that person, no, something like that, no, mga and this is not a serious matter din naman, no, for some of you, right, no, mga Scorpio natin, right, no. So what else, no, tingnan naman natin pagdating sa mga tao sa paligid ninyo, right, no. Let's see anong sitwasyon pagdating sa mga tao sa paligid ninyo, right, no. Kuha tayo ng 2 cards here for you Scorpio. Let's see, no, pagdating sa mga tao sa paligid ninyo. So, tignan natin. So, you have this 3 of Pentacles and then the World in reverse, no. So, for some of you, no, mga Scorpio natin, right, no, ang nakikita ko rito, no, yeah, there is someone, no, or maybe ikaw to, no, ang tingin sa'yo ng mga tao kasi sa paligid mo, no, kumbaga parang sabihin natin maybe for some of you, no, nade-delay na sa pag-uwi, maybe nasa malayo kayo, no, for some of you Scorpio, may pinagdadaanan kayo for some of you sa kaperahan ninyo, no, nagkakaroon ng delays, something like that, no, may mga process pa na inaasikaso, no, so ang nakikita ko rin dito, no, for some of you, no, may mga tao dito na hinihintay ka rin, no, na makauwi na, no, for some of you, no, ayun din ang nakikita ko, right, no, bakit ka nila hinihintay? Because para mag-happy-happy, no, something like that, no, so ayun yung nakikita ko rito, right, no, for some of you that who are working, no, far, no, maybe ibang bansa, no, for some of you, or maybe too far lang, no, sa inyong mga relatives, family, or friends, no, something like that, they are waiting for you, no? Dahil sanay sila na kapag umuwi ka, no, you are this one na nagbibigay ng finances, no, para sa mga get together ninyo, no, something like that, no, so ikaw to, but then ang nakikita ko rito, right, no, may delays pag uwi, no, with the world in reverse, right, no, merong mga kailangang, may mga hindi pa natatapos, something like that, no, that causes delays for you, no, mga Scorpio natin, no, so just take your time, no, hindi mo kailangang magmadali, no, for this, no, kung ano man itong mga naghihintay sa'yo, no, na pagkakagastusan mo lang naman ito, right, no, so kailangan mo dito ay maging wise ka din spending your money, no, something like that, hindi palaging sa bisyo lang, no, or mga happy-happy lang, no, we're not getting any younger anymore, no, so meron na rin mga umaasa din sa'yo, no, for some of you, no, at you don't need to spend so much money, no, sa mga get together na hindi naman masyadong importante, no, something like that, no, so ay hindi yung nakikita ko dito, no, for some of you, no, mga Scorpio natin, right, no, so let's see, no, pagdating naman sa inyong career, let's see anong sitwasyon pagdating sa mga career ng mga Scorpio natin, no, tingnan natin. Kuha tayo ng 2 cards here for you, Scorpio. Career situation ng mga Scorpio natin. Let's see. So you have this emotional, no, unconditional love, reconciliation, give and take, and then good karma in your favor. No? So for some of you Scorpio, no, ang nakikita ko rito, right, no, there is a good news, no, regarding your career, no, finances, no, whatever it is, right, no, kung ano yung mga nawala sa iyo, no, so ayun yung nakikita ko rito, with the good karma is in your favor, right, no, lahat ng nawala sa iyo mababalik, right, no, kung before ay walang give and take, no, kung ano man ito regarding your career, right, no, nawala finances mo, no, for some of you may mga nalugi, or kasi there is betraying, or may mga tao sa paligid mo na nanamantala, that's why, no, and then with that, no, but still, no, and hindi ka gumante, no, for some of you, and good karma is now in your favor, no, for some of you, and all that losses before are now going back to you, no, with the reconciliation here, no, so ayun yung nakikita ko rito, no, babalik lahat ng mga nawala sa iyo, no, maybe for some of you, no, kung ano man to, no, may mas doble, titriple, kung ano man ito, right, no, there is really a good news, no, and in regards your career here, no, just be patient, no, at maging grounded ka lang, no, palagi, at wag gagante, no, for some of you, right, no, so ayun yung nakikita ko rito, no, and from this magiging emotional ka because hindi mo akalain na talagang there is a miracle, no, sabihin natin God's blessing for you is really true, no, something like that, no, mararamdaman mo talaga the unconditional love that universe, our source, no, our God is in giving you, no, something like that, no, that love for you, no. With this, akala mo hindi ka niyan nakikita or hindi niya nakikita yung sufferings, no, but then because of this, right, no, kitang-kita mo how you are so special, no, with our source, no, and this is your time para naman ma-receive mo yung para sa iyo, no? Something like that, no, mga Scorpio natin, right? No? So, let's see what's the self-care advice for you this coming week, no? Kuha tayo ng one card for you, Scorpio natin, no? Self-care advice for Scorpio this coming week. Let's see. So, you have this, no, nourish your temple. No, so, for some of you, talaga sinasabi rito is to take care of yourself, right? Mahaba-haba pa yung journey, no? For some of you, no, kailangan mo alagaan talaga, nourish yourself, no? Eat healthy foods, no? Live a healthy lifestyle, no? For some of you, right, no? At kailangan mong pagyamanin anong meron ka because yourself, your inner self, your overall self is the most important sabihin nating weapon that you have because uh, lahat ng all of your power is within you, right? No, ikaw kailangan mo talaga ay yung nasa sayo na to, no? Ikaw na mismo ang wala nang iba, no? Kumbaga parang sabihin natin yung mga kailangan mo para magtagumpay ay nasa sayo na, no? At kailangan mo lang dito ay alagaan yung sarili mo para mas ma-enhance mo at magawa mo ng tama ano man itong kailangan mong gawin sa buhay mo, no, mga Scorpio natin, right? No, so that is your self-care advice is to take care of yourself, nourish yourself more, no, live a healthy lifestyle, no, for some of you, and be more grounded, no, with the nature, no, connect with the nature, connect with the universe, no, for some of you, whoever lang na makaka-resonate with that, na for some of you who has a sole purpose here in our lifetime, no, is into spirituality then for some of you, no, mga Scorpio natin, right? No, so that's your self-care advice. So let's see naman, no, person on your mind, no, anong sitwasyon pagdating naman sa person on your mind, no, kuha tayo ng 3 cards, 3 cards here for you, Scorpio, no, kuha tayo, 3 cards for Scorpio, no, person on your mind, let's see, anong meron sa taong nasa isip ninyo, no, mga Scorpio natin, let's see. So, you have this, no, child support, brave, no, speak up, and then hotel, motel. No, so for some of you, right, no, maybe you are in a separation, no, for some of you with the person on your mind, right, no, with these cards, no, ang nakikita ko rito, no, you are seeking for a child support with this person, no, na maybe for some of you, right, no, kailangan mong maging matapang with this, right, no? Kailangan mong mag-speak up, right? For your right, for the right of your children, right, no? Maybe, hotel-motel, no? Maybe may ka-third party ito, right, no? With this, nakita dito sa motel-hotel, no? Or nag-check-in, no? For some of you, right, no? So, nakita mo. For some of you, vice versa, of course, no? And now, you are going into a separation legally for some of you, no? So, ang kailangan mo talaga rito, maging matapang ka lang din, no? Speak up sa what is the truth, no, about this relationship na you are in right now, no? And speak up, be brave for your children then or for your child, no? For some of you, no, mga Scorpio natin, right? No, wag mo na tong sabihin natin na hayaan pa na ikaw na naman yung sabihin natin na mabaligtad rito, right? No, for some of you, no, kailangan mo nang magsalita in this situation, right? No, dahil kailangan ka rin ng mga anak mo or ng anak mo right? No, ikaw yung nahihirapan dito, and that person is nagpapakasarap lang sa mga kanyang mga ka-third party, no, o whoever is that, no, something like that, no, mga Scorpio natin, right? No, so let's see what else, no, pagdating sa inyong person on your mind, no, let's see ano pang meron. Person on your mind, no, mga Scorpio natin. Kuha pa tayo ng 2 cards here for you. Sitwasyon ninyo, right? Let's see. So you have this coffee cup, no, meeting, talking, savoring the moment, feeling elevated, building friendship, and then seduction, no, attraction, teasing, hooking up, and date, third party, no. So for some of you talaga, no, there is talaga, no, nangyaring third party, no, seduction, no, for some of you, no. Maybe, no, may involved na mga friends here, no, some of you, no, kakilala mo yung ka-third party ng iyong person or ikaw, right, no. For some of you, may ka-third party ka na friend, no? For some of you lang, no? Whoever can resonate in this, no? Palaging nakikita, no? Something na, halimbawa, ay nakikita, no? Magpo-coffee, and then alam mo na, no? Right, no? For some of you, no? Na-attract, may seduction, no? So, dito nagsimula yung hooking up, no? Third party situation, no? For some of you, right, no? By meeting, no, talking, no, something like that, no. They are kumaga nagkikita sila ng panihim, no, for some of you, no, no, with this person, no. So maybe for some of you kilala mo, no, because this is a friend, no, for some of you, no. So yeah, no, ito yung naging dahilan ng inyong breakup or separation for some of you, right? No, so let's see what's the message advice for you ni universe, no, mga Scorpio natin, right? No, so let's see. Kuha tayo ng 1 card here for you, Scorpio. Message advice for you ni universe. So, Jar of Dreams, no? So, for some of you, no, mga Scorpio natin, right, no? Sinasabi dito ni Universe that hawak-hawak mo na yung dreams mo, right, no? Ikaw na lang din yung mag-o-open yan. And how can you open this? If you are ready, no? Once you are ready to step in, no? Into this, no? Whatever it is your goal, no? Whatever is this dreams of yours, no? You can open it and start, no, whatever it is, no. So ikaw lang din, no, binibigyan ni universe dito ng panahon, no. So just take your time na hanggang maging ready ka na, and now we can start this dreams of yours to pursue, no, something like that, no, with this jar of dreams. But then hawak-hawak mo na siya, no, ikaw na lang yung hinihintay mag-open dito ni universe, right, no, binigay na sa'yo, hinand over na sa'yo yung mga dreams na dapat mong i-pursue, no, something like that, no, mga Scorpio natin, no. So kumaga nakikita ko rito is you are being supported here, no, kung anong mga magiging decision mo, no, you are being supported here, no, something like that, no. So you will never be in a wrong path here, no, because you are being guided here, no. Just keep on, no, sabi natin na connect with them, no, connect with the universe, connect with your guides, no, connect with your heart, no, connect with God, connect by praying, something like that, right, no. Seek guidance from them, no, something like that, mga Scorpio natin, and soon you will do it and you will achieve this, no, whatever it is you want to achieve, no, something like that, no, mga Scorpio natin, right, no. So yeah, that's it for you, mga Scorpio natin, no. So I hope na naka-resonate kayo sa reading ninyo today. So yeah, that's it. God bless you all, and thank you for watching, Scorpio. So